press on to the MCA button, this metal bar in here, and then as it is booting, look at the screen there. As it is booting, as you see this, and then you turn on the MCA, not the other way around. If you turn on the MCA first and then the phone later, it's going to go into the demo mode, and it's going to give you a stationary picture of the display, which is going to be just a spectrum, a stationary spectrum. It's loading the configuration files. Again, going back into the setting, it's telling me that the cooler is, I can turn the cooler off quickly by, you can see I turned the cooler off. You can also do it from the software in here, but I suggest that you don't do that. You do the cooler off from this button in here when you switch the batteries. I'm going to show you switching. I think we did do a video on the switching of the batteries. And now it says it's cooled. Settings parameter detector cooled, connected by USB. GPS is trying to get coordinates. If you want to turn off the GPS, you simply go in the top in here, and then you basically turn off the GPS. Okay, you saw how the GPS is turned off. So the Wi-Fi can be turned on from here, can be turned off. Again, putting my finger on the top where you have the connections on the phone, the Wi-Fi and GPS are both off now. I can turn on the Wi-Fi. Okay, it's NATS wireless is showing in here. Let's give our password. Okay, now we're connected to the Wi-Fi. For some reason, if you needed to turn on the GPS, you could go in here again and turn on the GPS. For the sake of my work in here, I'm going to turn on the GPS. When I take it to a customer facility, I might turn off the GPS. Okay, and then I can hit the back button in here, go back to the menu. Now I'm going to turn on the high voltage because everything is connected. Saying, are you sure you want to turn on the high voltage? Yes, I want to turn on the high voltage. Again, give it a few seconds to initialize. The high voltage is on. Where's our source? Did we throw it? We'll put it back. Okay. Put a source in here. First of all, I go into the radiometer mode if I want to see. Okay, moving the doors around, I can see the radiometer in the source finder mode. Back, I want to see a spectrum now. I'll start. What's this in here? That's a cesium source. Should be able to see that sharp line from C666 keV, a cesium source. Okay, you can pause it now.